What is an idea? What is a thought?
Idea. Resilient, highly contagious. Once an idea has taken hold of the brain, it's almost impossible to eradicate. An idea that is fully formed, fully understood, that sticks. Right in there somewhere.
We are born scientists. When we're born, we wonder what's out there. We begin to wonder about the sun, life, the stars, what makes the oceans, the weather. We're born scientists. And then something happens. When we hit the danger years of junior high school and high school, that's when it's literally crushed.
Information is all around us. Many people think it all starts with data. Data, the resource of the 21st century. Data is everywhere. Companies collect our data, we do data analysis and data correlation, but in fact, data itself is pretty simple. It's just a collection of letters and numbers, signs you can process electronically but have no meaning. And you can measure data, but you cannot measure an idea. Because when are you really creative or innovative? When you have 1,000 thoughts, only one, the real game changer. So maybe information is more important. And we have so many tools nowadays to acquire information. We have smartphones, mobile devices, the internet everywhere, but never mix up information with having an idea or knowledge. Because you can Google information, but you cannot Google an idea.